Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Today, grabe ka kusog ang ulan o napaka-gloomy sa weather, sa panahon. This weather, since few days ago and last week, nagaulan na siya, nagagloomy ang panahon. So, pati today, nag-worst ang panahon, nga gloomy kayo siya, nya kusog ang ulan. Pati sa Panabo City, Carmen ug Tagum, kusog sad ang ulan didto. Actually gikan ko sa Panabo today, kusog ang ulan, gloomy kayo ang panahon. So all I can see is pati sa Davao, lalo na sa Davao, keep safe everyone. God bless us all. To all my friends and subscribers, continue to likes my video clips and continue to shares. And please continue to follow my Facebook Reels and to subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless everyone.